Greetings students, Beta class 7. We are going to do some extra questions today. Let us start chapter 1 of history, and I'm going to discuss some of the short answer questions for 1 mark each. First question, cartographer is a person who makes maps. The correct answer is part C, maps. Next, in which century Babur used term Hindustan to describe geography of subcontinent? So this we have discussed that in 16th century. C option is the correct answer, that is 16th century. Done it? Next, which of the following is not the meaning of foreigner in the past? So stranger, yes, it was the name. Then Pardesi also, Ajnabi also. So the correct answer, indigenous. Indigenous, option D is the correct answer. Next, which type of people collected manuscripts? So this also we have discussed, the wealthy people. Option B. Hanji, option B, do option B is the correct answer. Now let us move. Where were the manuscripts placed? So the manuscripts were placed in libraries and in archives. So the correct answer, option D. That is both both B and C. Next, Ziauddin Barani wrote his chronicle first in. The correct answer, option C, 14th century. Done it, 14th century. Next, which is the holy book of Muslims? So this we have also discussed, that traders, merchants, they brought Islam to India. So, and the holy book of Muslims, Quran. Correct option C, Quran. Prosperity in the subcontinent attracted trading companies of which region? European, Australian, Russian, none of these. And the correct answer, European. Now do some of the fill-ups. Dash provide a lot of information to the historians. So beta, I have written the questions with answers with each question so that there should not be any kind of problem. That's why I have written answer with the question. So the correct answer, manuscripts. Rules and regulations of jatis were enforced by, yes, by jati panchayats. We have discussed in the chapter that the jatis had to follow the rules and regulations made by their or enforced by their jati panchayats, and these jatis also followed the rules of the gram panchayat or the village panchayat. Next, knowledge of dash earned brahmanas a lot of respect. Yes, the knowledge of Sanskrit language. So Sanskrit is the correct answer. The Muslims had two divisions, the dash and the dash. Yes, like we people in Hinduism, we have two divisions, Shaiv and Vaishnav. In Christianity, Protestant and Roman Catholics. So, and other religions also we find many groups. So in the Muslims there are Shias and Sunnis. Next, Dash had controlled an empire from Bengal in the east to Ghazni in the west. Yes, when we were discussing chapter, we have discussed this, that it is written in a Prashasti. So some of these historians were of the view that it is written, it is an exaggerated explanation of the king, of the empire of the king. So the correct answer, Balban, that Balban had controlled an empire from Bengal in east to Ghazni in the west, means Balban was a very strong ruler and he established a large kingdom or large empire. So next, Which language was spoken during 14th century in present Bengal region, that is Avdi, Gauri, Telangani? So the correct answer option B, that is Gauri. Now some of the questions of chapter 1 of geography. So I'm taking both the chapters here. Which one of the following is a basic life support system? Music system, environment, transportation, none of these. Yes? Yes, the correct answer option B, environment. Which one of the following is created by nature? Cars, scooters, buses. Option B, mountains, rivers, trees. Next, roads, books, pen and copies, all of these. Yes, the correct answer option B, nature. Mountains, rivers and trees. Next, the domain of water is referred to hydrosphere, lithosphere, atmosphere, biosphere. The answer, hydrosphere. Next, what do plant and animal kingdom make together? Yes, biosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, all of these. Correct answer option A, biosphere. This is all for today. So yes, the next question. What do this question we have discussed? What do plant and animal kingdom make together? That is biosphere. Next, which one of the following animals is called the sheep of the desert? Camel, goat, cow, dogs. Correct answer option A, camel. Next, when is the World Environment Day celebrated every year? 25 December, 23 June, 26 6 January, 5th of June. And the correct answer 5th June means D option. Next, who interact with the environment and modify it according to their needs? Human beings, animals, rivers, mountains. Option A, human beings. Next, which one of the following is not a threat to environment? Growing population, growing plants, growing industries, all of these. Now see, growing population, yes, it is a threat. Growing industries, that is also a threat. Why? Because it leads to pollution. And all of these means when we have two options wrong, then no, all of these it is also not there. So option B, growing plants. Yes, with growing plants the pollution can be decreased because plants purify our environment. The correct answer is option B, that is growing plants. Next, what is the source of mineral wealth? Mineral wealth, it is all found, means all the minerals are found in lithosphere, means on the land part. Lithosphere we have discussed, lithosphere is the sphere of rocks, means sphere, the land part. Who protects earth from harmful sun rays? Yes, atmosphere. Our atmosphere protects us from harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Yes, beta, in our this chapter we have discussed about all the spheres also. Like see in the question number 4. Biosphere, see hydrosphere, sphere of water, means the area of water. Then atmosphere, the area of air. Then one more, lithosphere is not written here. So lithosphere, the area of rocks, means the land part. Then biosphere, a narrow contact zone of hydrosphere, atmosphere and lithosphere, means the only zone where all the three spheres interact and life is possible only in this sphere, which biosphere. So this is the only sphere where life is possible, that is it has The life supporting system means all type of life is possible in biosphere only. So it is a sphere where air, water, and soil is found. So I think there is no problem in all these questions. But even then, if you have any question, any query, please discuss with me in the class tomorrow. Have a nice day.